Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up Safari over on your iPhone. So in order to make Safari faster, it's really easy, and in this video I've compiled a list on how you can actually do this. So the first way in order to speed up Safari is really easy, but you just need to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. The better your Wi-Fi is, or cellular mode, the quicker Safari will load. So it's really easy in order to just get better Wi-Fi, which will literally just cause Safari to work much smoother and much quicker. Now, once you've done that, or if you just already have the best Wi-Fi possible, then what you can simply do is also close all of the tabs you have on Safari. So closing tabs on Safari will speed up your Safari dramatically. So make sure that you don't have more than like 2 or 3 tabs open on Safari to ensure the best possible speed over on Safari. Now, once you've done that, once you've closed all of your tabs, what you can also just simply do is clear the cache over on Safari in order to make sure it runs even faster. In order to do this, head over to settings just like I did and then click on Safari right here and then scrolling down till you find clear history and website data. What you need to do is click on all history, and I would also recommend enabling close all tabs. Once you've done that, simply click on clear history and all your website data and history will be cleared, and this will speed up Safari dramatically as well. So make sure to do that, and once you've done that, you can immediately scroll down even more to advanced right here. So click on that, and then what you want to do is click on website data, and then it will take a few seconds to load all of the website data you have over on Safari, and you want to clear that as well, which will free up a lot of storage and memory as well. So click on remove all website data, and once you've done that, you are good to go as well. Now, once you've done that, what I would also recommend doing is removing all the extensions you are not using on Safari. In order to do this, you can go into General, then iPhone Storage, and basically once you've done that, scroll down until you find Safari, Extensions, and just remove all of the extensions you are not using, because that will also dramatically free up a lot of storage and memory basically. So yeah, make sure to do that as well. Now, if you've done all of that already and you want to speed it up even more, then what I would recommend doing is just basically force restarting your phone once a day in order to basically ensure that your entire phone is basically running as quick as possible, which will also make Safari load quicker. So in order to force restart your phone, it's really easy. Just quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and then hold the power button till your entire phone goes dark. Keep holding till the Apple logo appears. The second it appears, remove your finger from the power button, just let it go, and then wait till your phone is restarted again, and then your phone has been basically force started and it has been restarted. And that's basically how you can also free up a lot of space and memory over on your phone by just simply force restarting your phone, and this will make every app run faster, including Safari. And that are basically all the ways I have for you guys and girls in order to actually speed up your Safari. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.